What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So Apple Watch Ultra 2, I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna share with you guys my first impression. I didn't pick up last year's Ultra, so this is gonna be my first time kind of experiencing the best of the best of Apple Watch. So let's get right into it and see what's in the box. So here is Apple Watch. I'll show right here. It doesn't say Apple Watch Ultra, it just says Apple Watch. Look around the rest of the box. Looks like they're going eco-friendly and includes Apple Watch band and USB-C charging cable. So hopefully it's gonna work. Well, actually, I'd probably be able to use a wall port that I got with the iPhone 15 Pro Max that I ordered through Amazon, like the wall adapter. Apple Watch Ultra 2, 49mm titanium blue alpine loop. Let's take a look. And by the way, definitely be sure to check out my latest wallpaper pack. It's called Vortex. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. Absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite wallpapers so far. So here we go. Let's see. You can definitely tell it is Ultra. I mean, just look at that unboxing right here. So we get this first of all, and it shows the different types of bands. So Alpine, Ocean, and Trail. And then just goes through a little walkthrough of the Watch Ultra itself. Now visually, there's no really huge difference in design with the Ultra and the Ultra 2. They're all internal. I believe they're getting like the S9 chip or whatever it's called. I forgot exactly what it was called. But here it is, Apple Watch Ultra. Let's put that aside. I first want to check out the band. So this right here, they're going carbon neutral by 2030, the Alpine Loop. Let's try this. Peel right here. There we go. In fact, I'm just gonna put the garbage aside. So here we go. It actually shows how to attach the band. So I'm gonna pull this out. Grab this out of here. Let's put this box aside. Right over here. And here is the Alpine Loop band. It actually does look really nice. But we're gonna have to try it on the watch itself. So here it is. Let's pull these tabs just like that. There's one tab. Let's get the second tab out of the way. There's a second tab right here. And lift the lid. There we go. So first, before we get to the watch itself, designed by Apple in California, and actually has the coordinates too. That's really clever. That is really cool. Then here we go. We're getting a USB-C braided cable to charge the Apple Watch Ultra. That's really nice. I'm happy that Apple decided to make their cables all braided. The one thing I wish was that it was like color coded with the iPhones. It was rumored that it was, but didn't really work out. Nonetheless, I'm gonna put this right back in there for the time being. And here it is, Apple Watch Ultra 2. I was really excited. Rumors were saying they're gonna come out with like a black titanium. That didn't happen, so here it is. Apple Watch Ultra 2. So there we go. Let's put that aside and let's actually try putting on the band. Okay, so here is the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and I gotta say, this is actually a really, really nice, well-built product from Apple. And I hope they bring the Ultra moniker to the iPhone 15. Like there was like last minute rumors saying, oh, there's gonna be an iPhone 15 Ultra. That didn't happen, and now we're hearing iPhone 16 Ultra. So look, iPhone 16 Ultra rumors and just iPhone 16 rumors in general are already popping up. But nonetheless, I'm kind of disappointed. I guess the rumors got me really hyped up for a black titanium. That didn't happen. But nonetheless, like this is a very cool. I gotta say, I like the design of it. I'm not too happy with this Alpine loop, so I'm probably gonna end up ordering new bands for the Watch Ultra 2. But the fact that it has a larger 49mm size and a larger screen, it's cool. Now, with the Watch Ultra 2, there's a new S9 SIP is what they call it. That's their chip, and this pretty much has 5.6 billion transistors, 30% faster GPU, and 4 core neural engines that can power the machine learning 2 times faster than Apple Watch Series 8. A lot of the upgrades with Series 9 and Watch Ultra 2 are actually internal. That's why visually you can't really tell. In fact, it doesn't even say Watch Ultra 2 on the bottom of the Watch Ultra 2. Now, there's also an upgraded U2 ultra-wide band chip, which makes finding your iPhone easier. It's like it's very much more precise than it used to be. But display, this is where it gets nuts. Now reaches max 3000 nits brightness. That is the highest that Apple has ever put in a display, like 3000 nits of brightness. iPhone 15 Pro Max goes up to 2000, so this gets even brighter outdoors. You won't have any issue whatsoever. If this is going to be your device for exercising and whatnot, it's going to get the job done. Now, the Watch Ultra is also certified carbon neutral, and Apple's trying to go carbon neutral 100% by 2030, and this retails for $799, and I'll be leaving links in the description down below if you want to take a look. But this is my first Watch Ultra. I'm going to be testing it. If you want to see a comparison with like the SE2, which is the current Apple Watch I was using, I'll let me know in the comments down below. I may make a comparison. But yeah, let's put on this and let's see how it is. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of this. Like, it's just, I don't know. It's a little bit more difficult to put on than other watches for me in my use case. Like I'm gonna have to, there we go. It fits on well, but it's just not the type of band that I'm personally gonna be using. I think maybe stainless steel or I don't know, some sort of a woven band. Not gonna lie, the woven bands I saw today at the Apple Store are actually really nice, but this is it. This is Apple Watch Ultra 2. The one thing I'm actually really excited for is the battery. Like, I don't like charging my watch every single night. And with my SE2, I'd have to charge it every night. So we're gonna test this. We're gonna put it to its limits, see how well it survives, and I'll make a follow-up video. But that's really been it for this video. Maybe they might make, I don't know, an Apple Watch Ultra SE, who knows, and maybe in the same like design. Those who want a design like this, but don't want to pay $800 for a watch. I don't know. Apple's got a lot of things coming up in the next couple of years. The Vision Pro is coming out. iPhone SE4 rumors are coming out with iPhone 14-like design. And there's just like a bunch of things coming out. So stay tuned to Apple and see what comes in the next couple of years. Yeah, it's getting really late, as you can probably tell, and I'm kind of just like blabbering on. So there we go. I'm gonna end the video right off here, but I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel, help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.